in trouble for Pankaja Munde. The under fire Maharashtra minister, who's at the center of another controversy now, is holding a press conference at the moment in Mumbai.
याशी मी संपर्क सुद्धा साधण्याचा त्याच्यामध्ये प्रयत्न केला, पण काही लोकांशी माझा संपर्क होऊ शकला नाही, कारण मी परदेशात होते, वेळेचा फरक होता, फोनचे विषय होते, सतत मीडियाचे फोन कॉल येत होते आणि त्याच्यामुळे काही लोकांशी माझं बोलणं झालं नाही. त्याच्याबद्दल मी मनापासून दिलगिरी व्यक्त करते आणि काही लोकांशी बोलणं झालं याच्याबद्दल समाधानही व्यक्त करते की काही का विषय हा मला सगळ्यांपुढे मांडता आला आणि म्हणून सर्वांना हा विषय अतिशय व्यवस्थितपणे विस्तृतपणे सांगता यावा आणि त्याच्यासाठी ही पत्रकार परिषद आज मी बोलवलेली आहे. या पूर्ण झालेल्या प्रकाराचं विश्लेषण मी असं करेन की हा घोटाळा हा शब्दांचा आहे, कारण 206 कोटीची खरेदी, इथे खरेदी हा शब्द काढून फक्त जर स्कॅम हा शब्द टाकला तर कितीतरी मोठा आपल्या देशामध्ये आपल्या राज्यामध्ये खळबळ उभी करता येऊ शकते, हे मात्र याच्यातनं मी बघितलेलं आहे. मी माझ्या समोर जे अनेक प्रश्न उभे केलेले आहेत त्याचं मी उत्तर देणारच आहे, पण तत्पूर्वी काही बातम्या रात्रभर मी रिसर्च केली. माझ्याविषयी आलेल्या बातम्या, इंटरव्ह्यू, टॉक शोज, प्रिंट मीडियामधून आलेल्या बातम्या यांचा खूप अभ्यासही केला.
All right, remember Pankaja Munde when she had come back to Mumbai from London just about 2 days back had dismissed all allegations of irregularities in awarding contract to build dam. In fact, Pankaja Munde had said that she will come out clean. Earlier, she was also embroiled in another scam. The Maharashtra minister was accused of flouting norms to purchase food items for tribal children. Meanwhile, the opposition has stepped up pressure on the government in Maharashtra, demanding for a CBI probe in the case. Now, there are fresh allegations against Pankaja Munde that she awarded a contract to a contractor who was not on the list at all. Pankaja Munde has also indicated that there is a conspiracy against her because all these allegations have come to forth all of a sudden against her. Remember, she was initially embroiled in what was termed as the Chikki scam, in which 206 crore rupees scam that came to light, and that was alleged at having been done at her behest, that she ordered the buying of material under ICDS, which was substandard. Now, the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had backed Pankaja Munde, initially saying that the e-tendering process that he has been stressing upon came into being only in April, whereas that material was sanctioned in February, but said that a probe will be conducted into the substandard material. Let's quickly listen in again to Pankaja Munde.
उपलब्ध आहे ही कागदपत्र, हे आरोपांची फाईल आहे, ही आरोपांची फाईल आहे. याच्यामध्ये गैरप्रकार झाल्याचा कुठलाही त्याच्यामध्ये योग्य असा दाखला त्याच्यामध्ये दिला गेलेला नाही आणि त्याच्यामुळे याचा खुलासा मी चीफ सेक्रेटरीकडे पूर्वीच केलेला आहे आणि अशा प्रकारची खरेदी ही पूर्वी झालेली आहे. 2011-12 मध्ये, 12-13 मध्ये, 13-14 मध्ये अशा प्रकारची खरेदी झालेली आहे आणि याच्यामुळे मी पंकजा गोपीनाथ मुंडे मंत्री झाल्यानंतर काही लोकांना फेवर वगैरे करण्यासाठी हे केलं, तर त्याच्यामध्ये नवीन कुठलेच लोक आलेले नाहीत. हे पूर्वी काँग्रेसच्या राज्यामध्ये त्यांच्या मंत्र्यांनी केलेल्या रेट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट मधले हे झालेली खरेदी आहे. त्यामुळे नवीन व्यक्ती आलाय ज्याला मी फेवर केलंय, हा आरोप मी पूर्णपणे ह्याचं खंडन करत आहे. मी ह्याच्यामध्ये एकही रुपयाचा अपव्यय टाळण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. मंत्री मी 31 ऑक्टोबरला झाले, त्याच्यानंतर माझे खाते आम्हाला मिळाले, त्याच्यानंतर त्या खात्यांचा अभ्यास आम्ही केला. त्याच्यामध्ये महाराष्ट्र दुष्काळाच्या भीषण परिस्थितीमध्ये असताना जलसंधारणाचा एक महत्त्वाकांक्षी प्रकल्प हातात घेऊन त्याच्यावर काम करून महाराष्ट्रात रान उठवून अगदी प्रत्येक गावाला दुष्काळमुक्त करण्यासाठी महत्त्वाकांक्षी जलयुक्त शिवार अभियानाची योजना आखली आणि हे सगळं करत असताना डिसेंबरचं अधिवेशन झाल्यानंतर आपल्याकडे आलेल्या बजेटवर विचारविनिमय झाला. विचारविनिमय करून यातला प्रत्येक निर्णय गेला. एकही रुपया माझ्याकडे आलेला, माझ्या खात्याकडे आलेला हा वाया जाऊ नये ही याच्या मागची अगदी प्रामाणिक भावना होती. हा जर फंड लॅप झाला तर केंद्र शासनाकडनं परत आपल्या राज्याला या मुलांसाठी फंड घेणं तेवढं सोपं काम नव्हतं आणि म्हणून या फंडातनं काय करावं, हा जो आकडा तुम्हाला दिसतोय 206 कोटीचा, हा आकडा 206 कोटीचा दिसतोय, कारण ह्याच्यामध्ये पूरक पोषण आहाराचा 1 रुपया जो वाढीव आम्हाला आला होता त्याच्यामुळे 122 कोटी रुपये त्याचे आहेत आणि ते 122 कोटी रुपये हे फक्त पोषण आहारावरच खर्च करायचे असा नियम असल्यामुळे या मुलांच्या पोषण आहार त्यांच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी मग ती अंडी असतील, केळी असतील, दूध असेल, चिक्की असेल, या सगळ्या विविध विषयांवर चर्चा करून आम्ही हा निर्णय घेतला. पहिल्यांदा 42 कोटी रुपयांचा पहिल्यांदा इतिहासामध्ये हा पोषण आहाराचा पैसा डायरेक्ट अंगणवाडी सेविकांच्या हातामध्ये देण्याचं काम आम्ही केलं. आणि
Mumbai Bureau Chief Sahil Joshi is now joining us with the latest details. Sahil, can you explain to us the clarification that is being given by Pankaja Munde at the moment?
See, Pankaja Munde started the press conference saying that she had studied all the allegations made against her. She started saying that the leader of opposition in Maharashtra Assembly had, after this purchase was, the government resolutions were passed by her department. After that, the leader of opposition had made a complaint to the Chief Minister. Chief Minister, through Chief Secretary, had asked the department that how and why these purchases have been made, and then only she had clarified about the reason behind these purchases. Secondly, she tries to clarify that after the December session, some funds were allocated to her department, and those funds would have got lapsed after month of March because of the new financial year, and because of that, after that it becomes really difficult to get the new funds from the central government, because these funds are allocated, half the funds are allocated by the central government and half the funds are allocated by the state government. So not to allow those funds lapse, she had no other choice than to make those 24 government resolutions on one day to go for these purchases. Third thing, she wanted to clarify that she has not, her decision has not benefited any contractor, because the contractors who have been awarded these contracts are not new contractors. These are the same contractors who were given contracts during Congress and NCP's region rule in Maharashtra, and the same contractors were continued. So there is no question of benefiting any new contractor who was new to the system, or she herself went ahead and benefited some new contractors. So the contractors are the same which were supplying these products to the state government, Anganwadis and other schools. So basically she's trying to say that there is no scam into this.
Okay.
It's just a purchase order, and there is no irregularity in the whole purchase decision by herself and her department.
Also, Sahil, is she making any clarification, Sahil, on the issue of the material being substandard?
She's yet to come to that,
Okay.
but the state government has already said that the substandard material used in the chikki will be a question of a different probe, and they will be conducting a probe into that, and accordingly the action will be taken against the contractor. But as far as what Pankaja Munde is trying to clarify, that as far as awarding the contract is concerned, as far as purchasing orders are concerned, there is no scam by her department or by herself.
Okay.
She just did it because the funds would have got lapsed, and she had no other choice than to utilize those funds before a particular time, that is month of March, because after March there is a new financial year, and then it would have been difficult for her to bring in new funds from the central government.
Okay.
It would have become a tedious process, and that is the reason why she had done it.
All right,
so
sir.
She's going by one allegations about this. She's also going to come to the expose done by India Today yesterday about awarding a contract to her own person in irrigation dams schemes of Maharashtra government.
Yes.
On that also she will be clarifying on about.
Okay.
But right now she's clarifying about the situation of the previous scam on which she was. It was alleged that 206 crore purchase of chikki and other materials for Anganwadis has been done with the irregularity.
Okay, Sahil, many thanks for getting us those details.